Today, I will be sharing with you super easy side hustle through a smart money tactics to make money on Twitter, now X, YouTube, Facebook, and other interactive social media platforms, and earn in free crypto airdrop and cryptocurrencies, and make hundreds of cryptocurrency on a daily basis. You can even invite and register your friends to this platform and earn yourself hustle-free thousands of crypto airdrop to your wallet and convert it to your wanted cryptos and money. This is a brand new copy and paste formula that is better way to make you money today. You can watch my video on these two ways to earn cool money as the link is being pop up on the screen above. All this is completely free of charge. All you have to do is to click on the first link in the description below and follow up with me. If you like this kind of hype of this video, so like this video and hit the subscribe button. In fact, let's start with my recommendation. First, download this app from the link below and start your journey of making money in crypto airdrop right away. All you need to make money on this platform are social media accounts on Twitter, now X, YouTube, Instagram, and the likes. Complete a simple social interactive such as like, tweet and retweet, love, and make earnings in crypto. The following steps are what you need. After downloading this app, log in with your Gmail or email address, just like this. Input your details and complete your registration on this app. Perform simple tasks such as check in and earn yourself free crypto coin. Complete these social media interactive tasks and earn yourself as many as crypto you wish to earn daily. Let's take one. Repost this partnership tweet with AZN Network and come back to verify the tax and you earn your another crypto coin. Earn and claim as much as you want in the crypto world. You can also bind your app with AZN AI. Click on bind, copy the link, paste the link on your browser and download. Tap on the asset on the app and see your earnings, your conversion to Zena balance. Check your wallet for conversion and subsequent withdrawal of your crypto coin. Remember, you have to have the social media account to make money from this platform. Come to this app every day to perform simple tasks by claiming crypto coin every day. I will be dropping more back to back way I used to make money online here. All you have to do is to leave your comment on what you want to know about making money online. Also do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more amazing content just like this. See you in my next new make money tips. Thank you for watching.